Unmoving, unseen, the crocodile, one of the most powerful hunters on Earth. At first glance, it appears calm, but beneath the surface lies one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom, a force built for survival. A crocodile's jaws are lined with sharp conical teeth, designed not for chewing, but for gripping. Once those jaws close, there is almost no escape. The bite force of a large crocodile can exceed 3,000 pounds per square inch, stronger than lions, stronger than sharks. A crushing force capable of breaking bone in an instant. But it is not just strength that makes the crocodile deadly, it is patience. The crocodile waits, watching, timing every movement, until the perfect moment arrives. Then, in a sudden explosion of power, the jaws snap shut. Fast, precise, final. Once it captures its prey, the crocodile uses a deadly technique, the death roll, a violent spin that tears flesh and overpowers even the strongest animals. These teeth are not meant to chew. Instead, the crocodile swallows chunks of meat whole. Its digestive system, strong enough to break down bone. For millions of years, the crocodile has remained unchanged. A perfect predator, built on strength, precision, and one of the most powerful bites in nature. Welcome to Nature Uncut. Raw wildlife, real power.